Good afternoon, welcome to our channel News Flash. I am Neetu Sharma with you in this bulletin. Let's start the bulletin with the headlines. President, PM and Defence Minister paid tribute to heroes on Kargil Vijay Divas. Defence Minister honoured the unmatched bravery of the Indian soldiers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Maldivian President Mohamed Moizu inaugurated Ministry of Defence building in Malé. Modi reaffirmed the Maldives' significance in India's regional outreach. Rajasthan High Court angry over non-implementation of Coaching Regulation Act. Court orders government should implement the centre's guideline till the act is implemented. New weather system active again in Rajasthan. Heavy rain in many places, including Jaipur. Heavy rain alerts in 9 districts today. Let's start the detailed news. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh paid solemn tributes to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives during the 1999 Kargil War. On the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, observed across the country, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, in his tribute, honoured the unmatched bravery of the Indian soldiers who fought under extremely challenging conditions. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also paid homage, expressing gratitude to the martyrs and their families. Kargil Vijay Divas is observed annually on July 26 to commemorate India's victory over Pakistan in 1999 Kargil War. From Malé, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Maldivian President Mohamed Moizu jointly inaugurated the state-of-the-art Ministry of Defence building of the Maldives in Malé. Overlooking the Indian Ocean, the 11-story building stands as a symbol of the strong and long-standing defence and security cooperation between the two countries. The MOD building has been constructed with India's financial assistance and is expected to enhance the capabilities of the Maldives defence and law enforcement authorities. Earlier in the day, PM Modi reaffirmed the Maldives' significance in India's regional outreach. Lok Sabha, LOP and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi arrives at Anand, Gujarat for Congress training camp. Rahul Gandhi has arrived here on the first day of this 3-day training camp. Importantly, the Sangathan Srajan Abhiyan has been decided by the Congress and was chosen as a pilot project. And a pilot project, Rahul Gandhi was also present at his training camp when Rahul Gandhi came to Modasa, and then today all the district presidents have been appointed. Next news from Rajasthan High Court, Jaipur. The Rajasthan High Court has expressed displeasure over not implementing the Coaching Regulation Act till now to prevent suicides of coaching students. The High Court has ordered the Rajasthan government to strictly implement the guidelines issued by the central government and take action under the Indian Civil Security Code till the provisions of the Coaching Regulation Act are implemented. The Division Bench of Justice Sanjeev Prakash Sharma and Justice Chandra Prakash Srimali gave this order on a suo motu petition. This news comes from Jaipur. Sikar, Ajmer and New Sanganeri Road will be widened in Jaipur. BRTS corridor is being removed and space will be left for metro in divider. The BRTS corridor, built at a cost of 170 crores in Jaipur, has now almost been removed. The corridor on Sikar Road has been completely removed. The process of removing the corridor is going on Ajmer Road and New Sanganeri Road. After the complete removal of BRTS, the roads here will become wider. Dividers larger than 3 meters are now being prepared here. A total of rupees 30 crore is being spent in removing BRTS. Actually, BRTS corridor was constructed in the year 2008 to reduce the increasing traffic pressure in Jaipur. Next news from weather system. With the new weather system becoming active, the phase of rain has started again in Rajasthan. Rain has been continuing since late night in many districts, including the capital Jaipur. The meteorological department has also issued an alert of heavy rain in the state from today. According to the meteorological department, there is a possibility of heavy rain with thunder and lightning in 9 districts today. The well-marked low pressure formed in the North Bay of Bengal has turned into a strong depression today. It is likely to move forward during the next 24 hours. In such a situation, there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rain in the state for the next 3 days. Due to the activation of the new weather system formed in the Bay of Bengal, it has been raining since late night in many districts including Jaipur, Dausa, Alwar, Kota, Bara, Jhalawar. The phase of rain continues in the morning as well due to drizzle at some places and heavy rain at other places. People had to face problems in the morning. The Meteorological Center Jaipur has issued an orange alert for very heavy rain with thunder and lightning in Bara, Kota and Jhalawar. At the same time, a yellow alert for heavy rain has been issued in Banswara, Bhilwara, Bundi, Chittorgarh, Pratapgarh and Samai Madhopur. According to the Meteorological Department, heavy and very heavy rains are likely to continue in some parts of eastern Rajasthan from 28th to 31st July. That's all we have in this bulletin. Be with us. Thank you for watching our channel. Namaskar.